My brows are so uneven. So the first step I like to do with my face routine, I like to go with moisturizer. I like to use a Vino Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer. Looks like this. I'm like running out. I'm like up to here. Alright, and then next I'm gonna go with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Literally, it smells so good. There's a scent to this, right? I think so, I don't know, but it smells really good. And I like to do my brows beforehand. I just forgot to apply my sprays and stuff, so I'm showing you now. I like to go ham in this because it smells really good. Is it? I go in ham? I don't know. But yeah, I just use a lot because it smells really good. Next, I like to go with a matte finish setting spray. That's what I've been doing lately, and I just like it. So just like that. And then I'm going to kind of like, I'm gonna take my wallet and I'm going to let it dry. This is not working. It's not working. And then next, I like to go with my primer. I've been using this that I bought from TJ Maxx. I don't know the brand. I think that ENLITE a brand. I don't know. But I'll put like everything down below. So I like to use this as a primer because it's like for pores. I can use 2 squirts on my hand. This whole entire video is not planned. Most of my videos are not planned. Do I even upload? I don't even upload. This is how the thing looks, the primer I use, and I think this works pretty well. So let the soak in. The chapstick I'm using, literally my forever favorite. It smells so good, tastes good. So the foundation I'm going to use today, I'm going to use a Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Golden Beige. I've been using this for a long time. It's my #1 foundation, drugstore foundation. Yes. So I like to dot it in the sections first, just like that. And then I'm gonna take my foundation brush. You can use whatever brush, whatever you use. Sometimes I use like a beauty sponge, but I mostly use like a foundation brush. I think this is the foundation. No, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but the way I like blend out my foundation is like I pat it. Like I don't like smear it around like this. I just pat it. Just like that. Now I'm gonna do it to the rest of my face. I don't think this foundation matches, but whatever. I always have trouble like matching my foundation. Oh my god. My arm is getting tired. Ew. My face is a little crusty. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I just applied a lot to my foundation. To my forehead. So usually I like to add another layer of foundation, but today I'm not going to. No, I'm not going to. Next, I'm going to do my concealer. I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Natural. Literally, this is like my favorite concealer. Why is my hand? I'm like so awkward. My hand's like this. I'm gonna put on my nose bridge, just like that. The tip of my nose, on my chin, and then on the side where my smile lines are. Okay. Next, I'm gonna take this like little beauty sponge from Real Techniques, and I'm gonna blend out my concealers. Okay. And this is not wet. This is dry too. Okay. So I'm gonna do the my smile lines. The way I do it, like I saw this thing on like Instagram, but like pretend you're like a chipmunk or like you have water in your mouth like this. Okay. And then you're gonna blend it out. Am I explaining it right? I don't know, but just watch me. Okay, now I'm gonna blend out the concealer underneath my eyes. So next I'm gonna bake underneath my eyes. I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution and the banana powder one. The baking powder in the shade Banana. Okay, so first I'm gonna do the one with, I'm gonna start with like baking on my smile lines. So I'm gonna let that set. Okay, now I'm going to just like dust it off. Next, I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Face HD matte press powder in the shade Nude Beige, and I'm gonna set my whole entire face. So I can press it in like this first. I just press it along my whole entire face first. Ooh, that does not match. And then next, I'm going to really swirl it around my face. I don't know the real technique term for it. Now we're just gonna contour. I'm gonna use the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and then we're gonna use Shadow Play. You can tell I use Shadow Play a lot. Blend out that 5 head. I got a big forehead. A plane can land on my forehead. You gotta contour, make that look small. And we'll also take Shadow Play again. And then you're gonna like circle the tip of your nose. Ooh, I really messed up my nose. The nose highlight and the nose contour is not going good. Okay, I'm gonna apply. Lately, I've been using blush. I'm gonna take. I usually use like this Laura Geller one, but I'm gonna use Elf today. I'm gonna use, I don't know the name of this, but yeah, it looks like this. Take this one right here. Is it called? I gotta look it up. I'm just gonna tap it on my cheeks and then go on my nose. For highlight, I'm gonna use Colourpop in the shade Fanny Pack. I'm gonna use this one for my nose. Just like that. On the bridge. Not the whole entire thing. Just like that tiny part. And for the cheekbones, I'm gonna also use Colourpop. I don't know what color to use. Ooh, girl. Can you see that? Boring. So the next highlighter I'm going to use from NYX. This is the Duo Chrome one in the shade Twilight Tint. I'm going to go with my matte finish spray first. I'm going to spray on the brush. Okay, back on the highlight, the blue in, and I'm going to go in. Girl. I'm going to finish my eyes and I'll come back. Okay, so finished with my eye look, kind of inspired by like Kim Kardashian was, the blue eyeshadow, and I popped the orange under it because like why not, and then blended on my lip. But yeah, so that was like my face routine, my foundation routine. Let me tie this back, make me less look less. Ooh. But yeah, it was an easy look. Oh, to finish this look, I forgot. We're gonna take the matte finish spray again from NYX. Spray it all over my face. I'm gonna take the MAC Fix Plus again. I just love this smell. It smells so good. And then you're all done. But yeah, so thank you for watching. If you want to see more, follow my Instagram and subscribe to me. I'll post more videos soon. I don't know. Depends on my mood.